I finally got it. Yes, yes. The Razer Deathadder V2 Pro. Let's get right to it. So the two color options does it come with. One you see right here in front of you, it's in black. The other one is in white. So, ooh, I'm excited. Let's open it up. Now, I know to your right, I've been testing out the Razer Deathadder V2, and I kind of want to see what's the difference between the two. Oh, did I open it up? So I did. 1, 2. Come on. Come on, get out. All right, almost there. And bingo, the mouse itself. Ooh, this thing feels really light, which I like it. Let's do a quick sound test. Wow, that ain't creaks, nothing shaking inside. I'm impressed. So let's put this to the side and let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. And let's see how it feels in my hands. Ooh. All right, getting too excited over here. Too excited. Okay, well, as it comes in a box, the USB adapter with the USB wireless receiver. And let's see what else. USB Type-C to USB-A. And also comes with a user guide. Thank you for choosing Razer. And you also have grips for the side and for the primary left click and right click, which is great. Now this doesn't have no RGB at all, which for me, I don't really care. Doesn't really bother me. So let's connect everything right here. Let's get everything set up. And I forgot to mention, right here is the LED indicator that tells you what DPI stage, but also tell you what's your bear with me, because I'm too excited. What's the percentage is the battery at. So let me pause the video. So okay, I already set up the mouse and I plugged it in. So the way how you turn on this device is really easy. If you have the Razer Viper V2 or you've seen videos of the Razer Viper V2 Pro that they show you how they turn it on, you hold down the power button to turn it on. Same thing, you want to turn it off, you hold down the power button again. But also as well, you can use it to change your DPI. Now, I am waiting to Razer to get in stock, but I'm also trying to see in other stores, but that's not going to happen no time soon, when they're going to come out with the 4,000 hertz wireless receiver. Only Razer is selling right now. I've been trying to get my hands on it, but it's been out of stock. By far, the way how this thing feels in my hands is really comfortable. I don't want to say nothing yet until I give myself time with this mouse, and then I'll let you guys know maybe down the line, or I will do the review of this mouse. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, I am signing off. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Goodbye.